Hi guys, Manju here, and in today's video we are going to look a step-by-step procedure to buy US stocks from vested application. Well, it's very important to diversify your investment portfolio. One of the best ways would be to invest in US stock market. You could also invest in US stock market for other reasons as well, such as taking advantage of Indian depreciating currency, dominance of US companies across the globe, and several other reasons. In today's video, I'm gonna show a live instruction how I invest my money in Google. Before investing in US stocks, kindly go through the platform which you're investing, such as IND Money, Vested, because the fees might change and it depends on platform to platform where you buy and sell these stocks.
I've logged in into my Vested account, and you could do the same by registering on vested.com and finishing off your KYC process. Once it is done, you would go to your dashboard, click on Vested Direct, and in this place you would see you can top up your account by transferring the Indian currency. So click on top up button, select the payment mode. I'm choosing net banking, and for this video I'm gonna transfer 15,000 rupees to my vested account. So click on top up. So once the top up is done, you would see the balance would be reflected in your account right here, and then once that is done, click on transfer, which will transfer your INR into USD. So in this screen you need to set the amount that you like to transfer into USD. I'm transferring the complete amount. So one thing to notice here would be the GST and the FX rate. So GST is the normal tax which you need to pay, and the FX rate is the foreign exchange rate, which will be a fixed 78 rupees at the time of recording this video. So you would be not able to transfer the complete 15,000, but somewhere around 14,000 change. So after that, click on accept and continue. So you could see the amount has been transferred into your USD account. You need to wait for almost a day. So once it is done, your amount would be successfully transferred into USD. So once that's done, you could go and search for the favorite US stock. Currently I'm gonna buy Google because the PE ratio is very low and it's already almost like oversold. So I like to take positions going forward on a more systematic way. So you could see the graph and the complete fundamental data and the returns, everything on this screen. So click on buy button. In this screen you would be able to enter the amount of shares that you like to buy. As you know, American stocks could be bought in fractional amount as well. So if you look at the cost of one share is around $2,200, where I do not have much of amount right now to buy it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enter the dollar amount, something like $70, and I'm gonna purchase the fractional amount, which would be around 0.03 shares. Just review it and click confirm.
So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please click the like icon, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.